Hey everyone, it's Lisa and today is Saturday and I thought I would go ahead and show you the new Fenty palettes that I was telling you about yesterday. I got 4 of the palettes and I just realized this morning that each cover, it's real neat, it gives you the number on the box. And let's see, so I got, 6, 7, 1, and 2, which is the True Neutrals, the Cool Neutrals, the Smoky, and the Cadet. I liked all of them. It was hard to even decide. They are $25 a piece, but if you get 2, it's $45. And the whole concept with these is that they snap together. So the backs of them snap so you can open them like that. Sorry, I'm scared they're gonna come unsnapped. Like that. Here, I'll show you with these two. You just put the backs right together and snap them together. And the concept is, you know how you may want to use, well, not only can you take 2 palettes with you, like if you're traveling or whatever like that, but it's neat because you know how, like, say with this palette, which is number 6, which is the Smoky palette, you know that with that, you're probably gonna want a light. There's Bridget. She does that. She's not in pain or anything. She does that because she wants me to go pick her up and put her in the room with her daddy. So I'll be right back. I can see why people get like studios or like an extra room or something, which we'll go into that on my New Year's plans and goals. Okay, so anyway, there you go, you've got it. So you can snap 2 together, you can pick the 2 you want, and a lot of times, you know, you need 2 different palettes to create a look. Today, I did this look with 1 palette because I just wanted to show you that you could. And the palette I used is the one that Brooke and I were most excited about, and it is number 7, Cadet. And so this is it. It's just an interesting palette. So it has like that mustardy color, which is just one of my favorite colors for eyeshadows. And now my battery light is going off. Hold on just a second. Okay guys, for some reason my battery cut off on the other camera. I don't know, John's been working on my stairs going up to my room, and so I think he might have unplugged like my main outlet thing. So I'm having to go back to my other camera. I know the volume isn't as good, so I'll try to speak up and we'll just work with it. Okay, so where was I? I was showing you the palette that I used, which was 7 Cadet. Okay, here we go. And I used every color in it just because I wanted to, and I know what I was saying. I was saying I love the palettes that have like that mustardy yellow color in it. The Lawless palette has that in there, and I just realized how valuable it is. So that's what I started off with, was the yellow, and then I kind of went from there. And I don't typically do that. I don't usually leave a color just on the end. I like to bring it in a little bit, but with this, I just wanted to use that color just so you could see it, and I love it. It's that color that I like that is like a greeny brown, not a greeny brown, a greeny black. I mean, it's definitely, or a greeny gray type color. And then they're just all very, very pretty. So this would definitely be one that I would recommend. And my hands are gonna look dry, but I didn't wanna put lotion on them because I wanted to be able to get true swatches. So I think I'm just gonna do my fingertips. That might be the easiest way, but I wanted to swatch these for you. Okay. So that is 5 of them. So you can see like that color, how pretty it is. I love this color right here, was my favorite. And then that is like the yellowy color. So you can see that it's not like a true yellow. It is like a brownie camel color yellow. Hey, Bridgie. And then here is that last color, which is like that darkest brown. And then, let's see if I can, yeah. So you can see how good they are. That's just with like 1 little swatch. Okay, the next one, I tried to go ahead and swatch on my arm in probably the dumbest place. I didn't realize you wouldn't be able to see it when I twisted my arm. This is like I'm being punked today, but it's my own fault. Okay, this is the one that I love, and it is number 6, and it is the smoky. As soon as we saw it, Brooke said, that looks like you. It's got the black, a dark brown, kind of a shimmery, taupey lavender shade, and then that cool, like, you know, charcoaly, frosty shade that I like, a dark purple, and then another dark brown. But they really do have a lot of intensity, and I think they're nice and not a lot of fallout at all. Even when I was using the darkest color, I don't think I had one speck like underneath my eyes. The next one I'm going to show you is the number 1 True Neutrals, and I feel like that's the one that most people are going to be drawn to, but really this would be one to get like if you're getting one of the crazy ones, and you could snap this to it, and then you would always have your neutrals to like blend out with, and then you could put some accent colors on the back. Like, I really loved the pastels. That was really pretty to me, especially if you just wanted to do it all over with a wing liner. That would look so pretty. So let me swatch these and I'll be right back. Okay, so these are the neutrals. That does show it better than I thought, but look at how they're actually much prettier than I thought they would be. Look how pretty this one is. This one, the coppery one, just gorgeous. These are exciting. I think they're very nice. But that one, I think if you wanted to just try one, I think that would be a good one. And then you've got to get at least one more to put on the other side. So let's see, what is this one? Number 2 is the Cool Neutrals. And so that one is going to have your purples and like grays. See, with that, this is like a good combo actually, because you're going to need those warm tones in your crease unless you just use your bronzer. So let me swatch these for you. These swatched so well. Look at how pretty they are. Look at that purple. This has, and I was surprised at how neutral they are. Like this second color, that is one of those colors kind of like MAC Ho, or kind of like the chocolate bar palette too, where they look purpley, but they actually come off a lot more neutral, because a really light purple or purpley brown actually creates like the best shadow. And so it's going to give you more of that natural look, but in a cool way, like cool tone way. So those are the ones I chose, and I love them. I think that they're so pretty. Let me bring you in a little bit closer. So I hope that you can see them. So smooth and pretty. And I noticed even when I was looking at, like on the Sephora website, I was, you know, reading about them and everything in case there was anything I needed to tell you. And even the looks that they created, you can tell are so blended. So don't think like, sometimes you think like Urban Decay or Fenty or like Kat Von D. I kind of think, you know, kind of out there, and it's kind of intimidating, but they're not. They're very smooth. Even the brighter colors seem to be really easy to blend, and they were very creamy. Like they were easy to work with. So I think that you will enjoy them, and I think that these are good ones, but I think that I will probably, I've got that pastel one on my mind, and then they snap together this easy. So it's perfect, and it's got a good mirror, perfect for traveling. For some reason I was thinking like they all snap together, but it's just 2 at a time that snap together. So I hope I did okay on that. I know I'm not the best at swatches, but that's something else I want to work on. I think from now on what I'll do is I'll get like Will or Brooke, get their pretty young arm, and then I'll swatch them and then take pictures. Okay, another thing that I got that I wanted to tell you about, and I didn't want to tell you about these yesterday because I'd only used them once, and I didn't want to say anything, you know, not good until I used them again. And they are the Patrick Ta lip liners. And what made me get these is I was watching Camila Coelho, and she was using one, and it just looked so good. But you know, she's got those big, really pigmented lips. And so I got the 2 that I thought, I got the one she used, which is the darker one, which is She's Strong. And then I got the lighter one, which is She's Proud. And they are really cool. I've never seen a lip liner like this. They're the kind of like the wedge shape, kind of like I think the hourglass comes like this. Some of the Rimmel come like this. But what's cool about these is they Okay, but I wanted to swatch these for you because to me, I love the formula, I love the whole concept, but to me, and it might be because there's a couple of things here. It might be because I am getting used to using those liquid lips or darker liners. I can't say it's just the liquid lips because I still love my Nude Sandals lip liner, and anyway, it just seems like they're not very impactful for me. So I'm gonna swatch these for you so you can see. The colors are just so pretty. You know what I think it is? I have not had anything done to my lips in years now. Probably, I mean, I literally can't remember the last time. I think it's just given me a different look, and so I'm kind of dealing with that. But this is the, okay, so that was She's Proud, and this one is She's Strong, and I think it's going to be a little bit darker, and this is the one I actually have on today. So they're very pretty colors. It's just that for some reason I'm having a hard time of getting a good impact with it. So anyway, but I do think they're pretty. I just kind of wanted to tell you in case you were thinking about these. They're not as good as I thought, but I'm still going to play with them and see. So tell me if you tried these, let me know what you think. And then today I was using this brush and I was like, why didn't I put this in my favorites? This brush is, there's just something special about it. It's a inexpensive brush, and I'm not even sure it's still available now that I think about it because it was on like major sale last time I talked about it. But it's that Sephora like magnet kit brush, and there's just something about the way that it's angled, and it just picks up product really nice. Like any face powder, it just picks it up and it lays it down so nice. So if you can still get this brush, you should try to do that. And then the lip combo that I have on is just kind of old school. It is one of my favorite, all-time favorite lipsticks, which is Lancome number 202, and then Buxom Celeste. So I thought with my eyes being heavier and talking about eyeshadow, I should do my lips kind of calm today. So that's what that is. And so I'll be right back with a boring outfit of the day. It's weird here. It's like humid and rainy and kind of hot, but yet I can't wear any of my clothes for cooler or for warmer weather because my legs are so white. I don't want to tan. So anyway, I'm just wearing just a boring outfit, but I'll show it to you anyway. I'll be right back. Okay, so today I just have on a white t-shirt, my Zella leggings that are high-waisted. If you don't have these, you are missing out. My mom loves them, and I even love the Zella boot cut yoga pants. They're wonderful too. And then I wanted to wear these today, which are my Louboutin like combat boots with the studs. I haven't worn these lately. I've been wearing my Tory Burch, but these are very comfortable too. And this jacket has been just so awesome because it's knit, so it's comfortable. It's not like bunchy in the car or anything. And I love that it's long. So because I've been eating everything in sight, I'm not feeling really, you know, I don't know, I just feel like wearing something like this right now. I'm going to get back on track next week. But so I just love this little outfit. I like it all black too, but there's just something about the white with the all black and this type outfit that I love. And then I just switched purses. I switched into my Fenty Peekaboo medium with the Fenty strap, which is, I think I'm going to show you like all the purses that I bought you this year and then give you my thoughts. But this has been a really good one. And then for fragrance, I'm wearing the Warm Cashmere from Philosophy. I love it. And I have on the rings that my parents gave me. This is the combo I was telling you about that I was looking forward to wearing. It's the rose gold rose that, see, I've got this camera that doesn't zoom in as good. This is the rose gold rose that they got me a few years ago, and then that is the one that they got me this year. And then I put on the little earrings that they got me a while ago. Gosh, that one had almost gotten pulled out. But they are like a morganite. So they're like, they look like diamonds, but they're kind of a pinky tone. I love that stone. I need to find more jewelry in that stone. And I think that's it. My same little necklace I've had on from Walmart. And I need to pull it around where the part is showing. And that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If I had to give a thumbs up or a thumbs down to the Fenty eyeshadows, I would say definite thumbs up. They are not real dusty, they're creamy, the colors are vibrant, but yet in a nice way, and they're really easy to use. And where is it? I just got this in the mail yesterday, hold on. So this will be coming soon, the Scott Barnes palette. And I don't even want to tell you what I think about it. I'm gonna do that soon, and when I do that, maybe we'll do a tutorial or something. I just hated to do that with these since there were so many. I wanted to take the time to swatch them for you. So I hope you have a good Saturday. Hopefully I'll get to post this tonight, and I will see you maybe tomorrow. Bye-bye.